How to change your phone number on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can change or edit your phone number on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So to change our phone number, whether it could be from the Amazon Prime or Amazon Shopping, whatever application you have, just open it up. In this case I'm just talking about Amazon Shopping. Then you want to just tap on the account icon from the bottom. Then once you tap on this little profile like account icon, tap on the your account button, which is at the very top of the screen. So when you tap on the your account option, you'll be able to see all this, and under account settings you'll find another option labeled as login and security. Just tap on the login and security button. So when you tap on login and security, you can see primary mobile number, right? You can see my current phone number, and then you just need to tap on the edit button over here. So when you tap on the edit button over here, you simply have to enter the new phone number that you want to use for your Amazon account. So I'll just go ahead and then enter the new phone number that I want to use from my Amazon account, and after I've done that, I just need to tap on the continue button over here. Once I tap on continue, it will send a code to this number, so make sure you have access to this number. In case you don't receive the OTP code, just tap on the resend OTP button over here, and it will actually ask you to wait 60 seconds. So after you wait 60 seconds, you can try to enter the new OTP code. After you enter the new OTP code, just tap on verify and your phone number will be successfully changed. And that's all it takes to add a new phone number or change your phone number on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.